Run. To move rapidly on foot. She likes to run in the park every morning. He ran to catch the bus. Eat. To consume food. I love to eat pizza on Fridays. They ate a delicious meal at the restaurant. Talk. To speak in order to give information or express ideas or feelings. They talked for hours about their dreams. He talked to his boss about the project. Listen. To give attention to sound. She likes to listen to music while working. He listened carefully during the lecture. Play. To engage in activity for enjoyment and recreation. Children love to play in the park. He plays the guitar in a band. Sing. To produce musical sounds with the voice. She loves to sing in the choir. He sang a song at the talent show. Study. To devote time and attention to gaining knowledge. Students need to study for exams. She studied art history in college. Work. To engage in activity for the purpose of an economic return. He works on the project all day. He works as an accountant in a firm. Teach. To impart knowledge or skills to someone. She likes to teach English to children. He taught them how to play chess. Learn. To acquire knowledge or skill. Students learn new things every day. She learned to play the piano.